Will Trump's tariffs hurt Indian automakers? Why is the government borrowing 8 lakh crores? And why did NSE pause its expiry shift plan? Most importantly, should you really care? Welcome to Markets Today, your daily no-fluff market update to help you make smarter investing decisions. Let's start with our first story. Last week, US President Donald Trump announced a 25% tariff on all imported vehicles and auto parts, effective April 3rd. While the move aims to protect American jobs and boost domestic manufacturing, it has triggered a global concern around supply chains and trade tensions, including in India. Stocks of major Indian automakers stumbled after the news broke, but the long-term impact remains unclear. For context, India exported just $8.9 million worth of passenger cars to the US in 2024, and that's only 0.13% of its total car exports. However, the US accounts for 27% of India's total auto component exports, making it a critical market for Indian part makers. Moving on, the Indian government plans to borrow 8 lakh crores through bond sales in the first half of FY26, covering April to September 2025. This accounts for 54% of the total gross borrowing target of 14.82 lakh crores for the full financial year. The borrowing will be conducted through 26 weekly auctions with maturities ranging from 3 years to 50 years. Of the total, 10,000 crores will be raised through sovereign green bonds to fund environmentally sustainable projects. For investors, this borrowing strategy signals the government intent to maintain fiscal discipline while meeting expenditure needs. Keep an eye on green bond issuance. They offer both yield potential and ESG exposure. Our third story is from the derivatives market. The National Stock Exchange has decided to defer its plan to shift the weekly expiry of derivative contracts from Thursday to Monday. This comes after the SEBI released a consultation paper proposing that all weekly expiries should be limited to either Tuesdays or Thursdays to avoid bunching and improve risk management. With this move, NSE is pressing pause on any expiry shift for now. Investor takeaway: this gives a leg up to the Bombay Stock Exchange, which currently holds Monday expiries. If SEBI's proposal is implemented, BSE could retain its early week advantage and possibly continue gaining market share in the option segment. As of Friday, both Sensex and the Nifty ended in the red. And that's a wrap for today's Markets Today. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights. I'm Jeff Curtis from Invested by FYERS. Until tomorrow, stay invested.